Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Cooking with Chef and More. We are getting ready to make country ribs. We're going to make deep fried, smothered country ribs. And guys, if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy and simple, all made from scratch, subscribe and tap that bell so you'll always be notified every time I upload another amazing recipe. Let's get busy. Okay guys, these are our country ribs. They are delicious looking. Look at that, guys. Yes, they have the bone in. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get you one with the bone. They have the bone in them. These are country ribs, guys. Okay, we're gonna deep fry them and smother them. Rinse some hands off. Okay guys, first of all, what we're going to be using for our seasonings, we have some paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, complete seasoning, Himalayan salt, black pepper. We're going to be adding some coriander and chicory. These are the seasonings we're going to put. And guys, when you season your meat, you need to season every component. So we're going to season our meat, these same seasonings we're going to put in our base, our marinated type of base, and we're going to season our flour. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and I don't measure a lot, guys, but I will put all of the ingredients in the description. Okay. And like I said, whatever we season our meat with, we're going to go in and we're going to season everything else with as well. I'm just dropping everything today, guys. Okay, coriander. And chicory. Guys, chicory is like a coffee. It's like a coffee seasoning. Now, I'm gonna just get in here with my hands. Feel free to use some gloves, but you just wanna rub it in. You just wanna get it rubbed in. I've got a Band-Aid on this hand, so I'm just gonna use this one hand. Get it rubbed in really good. Make sure you guys can get in there and see that. You just wanna make sure it's all rubbed in the crevices and everything. Then we're going to let this sit for a few minutes just like this while we get everything else ready. We've actually got our skillet heating up over there. Getting that good and hot. Okay, so now we have that all seasoned up. Get my hands washed up. Okay, now I called this earlier marinated base or whatever, but actually, guys, this is like a buttermilk, but it's using Hellmann's mayo. You can use any mayo you want. I happen to be using Hellmann's today. You just want to take a scoop of the mayo. You don't need a lot. And then you're going to add water to it, just regular tap water, just a little bit. You're loosening it up and turning it into more of a liquid. And you just want to stir it until it becomes pretty smooth. So it's not completely smooth yet, but we have to stir in our seasonings. Again, we want to go in with the exact same seasonings that we used on top of our meat. This is what you call layering your flavors, guys. Layering your flavors. Just want to make sure you put a little bit of everything in there. Pepper. And guys, you can also feel free to use whatever seasonings you like as well. These are my seasonings. This is Chef and More's way, guys. A little coriander in there. And go in with a little chicory. Okay. And now blend this in really well. You know, sometimes when you have fried chicken or fried anything, and you take a bite of it, maybe some of the crust comes off, but it's bland. The crust has no flavor. That's because the flour wasn't seasoned. So you want to season everything in layers, guys. Make sure you season in layers. Okay, now I'm going to set this aside. We're going to do the same thing with our flour. Plate here. That's in order. So we're going to do this in order. First our mayo base, then our flour, and then it'll be resting here. Then we'll go on over to the stove and get it all fried up. Wet hand, dry hand. Shake off any extra. Okay, and you know what, guys? Because I have a Band-Aid on this finger, I'm gonna have a messy hand today. So I may have to wash my hand in between, but I don't want to use this hand in the mix. Then shake it off, get to the next piece. Okay, guys, so our skillet should be nice and hot, but we're going to test it. I have a wooden spoon here, and I'm just gonna put it in there. And can you see it? It's bubbling up. If it's bubbling up around the spoon, take a good look. See the bubbles coming up there, guys? That means my oil is good and hot. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put our ribs in. Oh yes. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Awesome, 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 guys. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. We're gonna let these cook some, and we'll be back when it's time to turn them over. Okay, guys, let's turn them over. They are looking good. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Oh, yes. Look at that. Delicious, 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 guys. Yes. Ooh. I almost don't want to smother these. Yes. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, we'll be back. Okay, guys, we are going to take our country ribs out now. Don't they look delicious? Look how crispy that is. Oh my God, if you guys do not use the mayo base, you are missing out. Simple as that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Yes. Oh my goodness. We're going to take these out, let them drain a bit, and get ready to make our gravy. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Ooh. And guys, oh my goodness, this is so crispy and delicious that I decided to take a moment and cut me off a piece, and we're gonna do a taste test now while they're just fried, just to let you all see the inside and to let you all know that you don't have to smother them if you don't want to. If you don't want them smothered, look at that. Look at how crispy that is. Oh, make sure y'all can see that. Yes, look at the inside. Juicy, 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 guys. Oh my goodness. Ooh, still hot. Guys, oh my goodness, if you don't want to smother these, don't. I am, because I just want the gravy today. It's cold outside and it's warming. Oh, guys, yes. I feel like I want me another little taste. I'm gonna eat this one up before I get them smothered. Shh, don't tell. It's so good. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Okay, let me get these smothered. Before I change my mind. All right. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go in with about a half a stick of butter here. I've got it in cubes because it'll melt faster. Yeah, and guys, I've decided I am going to smother 3 of these, maybe 4. I don't know. I want that one without the gravy now that I tasted it. Okay, guys, now we're going to add in our flour. We just want to cook this down a little bit. And guys, I am using my bone broth. Is the liquid that I'm adding in here. And it has so much flavor, so much seasoning that I don't need to add anything else to my gravy. I don't need to add anything else. Let this flour cook down for about a minute. Then we're going to add in our bone broth. And oh my goodness, just a little bit more because I like my gravy kind of thick. And I need quite a bit of it to smother these. Good. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my goodness. I'm going to add just a little bit more. There you go. All right, guys. And guys, if you want the recipe on how to make the bone broth, just click the link right up above. Go on over there and watch that video. And leave me a comment over there and let me know that you came to that video from my smothered country ribs. Let me know that so that I'll know that you clicked on that link to get the gravy recipe. Okay, we're going to go in with our bone broth right now. I'm going to step back just a little bit. There we go. All right, now guys. Delicious, delicious, delicious. This is looking amazing. Oh my goodness. If you guys could just smell that, look at that, guys. Look at that richness. That's coming from the bone broth, guys, that richness. Yes, yes, yes. All right, guys. Let this thicken up just a little bit. And then we'll be back to add in our country ribs. Okay. Okay, guys, our gravy is looking good. It is looking good. And smelling even better. So we're going to go ahead and add in our country ribs, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add all of them in. Yes. Oh my goodness. Ooh, make sure they're good and covered. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. We're going to let these simmer in this gravy. Oh my goodness, and we'll be back. Okay, guys, we are all done with our deep fried, smothered, chicory flavored country ribs, guys. Oh my goodness, don't they look amazing? Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness. And I'm just going to cut me off a piece right quick for our taste test. All right. Okay, guys, I'm just going to cut me off a piece, or I have just cut me off a piece. Oh my goodness, I'm going to cut this piece. Look at that, guys. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that look amazing? It's nice and hot. Now I'm going to cut this into another piece so we can do our taste test. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's piping hot. Guys, look at the inside. Ooh, look at the inside of that, guys. Doesn't that look amazing? Yes, and the gravy, guys, the gravy. Look how rich and thick that gravy is. Oh my goodness. Oh, don't want to burn my mouth. Lord. Ooh, talking about hurting yourself. Oh my goodness. If I didn't know better, I could eat this whole skillet. Then I'd be sorry, I know. But oh my goodness, guys, this is amazing. If you are not subscribed to me, go ahead and subscribe. Tap that bell so you'll always be notified every time I upload another amazing recipe. And guys, I have channel memberships, so you can feel free to join my channel as well. Everyone is welcome. And if you are already subscribed to me or already joined the team, thank you so much for your amazing support. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I wish you could taste this. Guys, I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. There's no more on the plate. Oh, I have to get some more.